G'day guys, Nova Newfie here. We're here in the kitchen processing chickens. I just thought before I finish up the last one, I thought I should make a video for you guys how I like to do it. I haven't done this a whole lot. This is just the way I sat down and did a couple and just figure out the best way to get the most out of the chicken for a big family. You see I got 5 different cuts here. I got the breasts. Chicken breast there, boneless, took the bone out, skin left on. Got the nice juicy thighs, legs, the wings, and then the chicken tenders. So that's what I'm going to show you guys today, how I do it. I'm sure there's lots of other ways. Anyways, let's get into it. We're going to need 2 tools, which are knives, 2 different types of knives. I like to use a flaying knife, you know, just one with a long blade on it, thin, and a good cutting one for like going through a bone or something, right? Something with some meat to the metal. Anyways, make sure they're good and sharp. That's all there's to it. All right, first thing I like to do, grab your flaying knife, turn the chicken, go under his armpit here, I find, laying on his side. Get in here, look, and go under the armpit. And I find I did a couple, and it's easy to get into the breast of these chickens. You really don't want the breast meat on your wing. It's not a bad thing, but I find the breast meat, if it gets overcooked, it gets dry and it just makes your wing taste dry. So what I like to do, go underneath the wing here and find the crevice, like it's just like an armpit, I guess. You know, just go under there. You'll see the bone. Just get underneath that bone and it'll let go, and I'll keep your knife turned up away from that breast, and then that's it, you know, and your wings like that. I leave it over there for now. Same thing with the other one, laying on its side. Get under its armpit, you'll feel that socket let go, just like that. Turn your knife up, just like that. Put that over there. Next, the legs and thighs. Sorry if I'm doing this a little fast. I'll try to slow it down. So the thigh, sorry there. Open up the leg there, and you got that skin there on the side. Just cut that. Just cut that skin, and the leg opens up, just like that. So what you want to do, you want to stay as close to the rib as possible, and go down till you basically stop, and you're hitting another one of those knuckles. Just give it a little pop like that, and you'll feel the leg let go of the socket right here. And come down along the edge of the pelvis. Come down just like that. Trying to use as much meat as possible. And same thing. Once you're through that knuckle, it's just grizzle in between it so it cuts real nice and easy. That's it. Lay that over there. Do the same thing with the other side. Lay the bird on its side. You can see the skin. Cut the skin like that. Give it a little pressure. Open things up a bit. Go in there with your knife. You hear that pop? That's the joint letting go. Like I say, keep your knife close to the side of the bird so you're getting all the meat. There you go. There's the leg and thigh. We're not done yet. This is what you need your other knife for. So grab your other knife. It's important. The breast runs down. You can see like the fat line. So when you cut, you'll see the ribs in there. 1, 2, 3, 4 ribs that you can see. You want to take your knife right in that crack and lay it flat like this. And cut down through them ribs like that. It goes real easy. And give it a couple, and then it'll bring up on the neck bone. Take it, you just bend it back like this. And just, you know, you gotta give it a little brute force there. There's always that bone right here. It always seems to give me a little bit of problems, but same thing on the other side. Cut that. Nothing to it. So what I like to do with the bird body itself, boil them down and make a stock out of it. Use it for soups, use it for flavoring, I don't know, anything. Whatever you use stock for. Normally soups, I guess. Anything you want to put a good flavor on. So then you're left with your breasts. You can leave it like this, whole breast bone in, but we're not doing that today. We're taking the bone out of it and separating that. So you have two different breasts. So just clean a little bit of that off. You got anything left in there? What I like to do with the same big knife, you can cut it like this, but I find you go right to the middle, you kind of get a better even cut. You go in there, the knife goes down through it nice and easy. And you just push on down. Get your cut made like that. Slice the skin, just like that. Two bone-in breasts. Now I'm going to take the bone out of it. So usually you won't end up with a perfect cut, but I mean that's pretty even. I'll get the bigger piece. Anyways, so what I like to do now, put the big knife away. I usually start on the rib side. You just take your fillet knife, go up underneath there. See, it's not much meat left on that. And you just keep on staying as close to that back piece as possible. This part's not as simple. Kind of just gotta work your knife through it, trying to save all the meat as possible. And there's always this one bone that is not the easiest. It's like a little Y bone or something. And you come through the back and it's right there like that. Anyways, there's a little bone there. Usually sticks into the breast. And it gives you a little trouble, but be patient and you'll get through it. So then you got your boneless breasts. So you can have it just like that, but we got kids that likes chicken nuggets, chicken strips. And what I find the best part for that, as all animals, they got the tenderloin or the inner tenderloin. And I guess this is what you'd call this. It's just like a inner tender. And it's like the tenderest part of the chicken breast. And I never cut this. The animal's just this way. The birds are just like that. And as you can see, it's a little flap of tender meat. Just come along here with your knife, follow the crease there that God gave you. There you go. Beautiful little tender. Throw that in there. You got your beautiful chicken breast. Lay that over there. So next, I'll put this one over. I'll finish this one later. I'll show you the leg and thighs. I find the best thing, hold the leg side, let the thigh side lay down. As I said before, God put these beautiful lines in here to follow for a reason, I think. So what you want to do, come down here with your knife. Wrong knife. You want to move over to your bigger knife. Come down through here, and you'll see that little bone there again. You want to just cut through that grizzle, and that's it. There's your leg. There's your thigh. We leave the bones in those. You can take it out if you like boneless thighs. By all means, super easy. Take the bone out, just go down the middle, fillet it out. Same thing, grab the leg side, straight there. See that line of fat? That's kind of the line you want to follow. Just like that. Easy peasy. Wasn't easy at first, but it gets easy. So now the wings. So we're here with the wings. What I like to do is hold on to the little end piece, like this. Be careful. I didn't realize chickens had these little hook finger thumb things. They hurt if you get stabbed. So be mindful of that. Grab the wing, cut in this little flap, just right down the middle. With your big knife, you'll see the bone there, the little knuckle. Cut through it. Keep holding that same piece. Cut that little wing off. Throw the wing there. Here's your two legs, or wings. I'll do another one for you. So, same thing. Lay your wing down, hold its leg or its thumb, whatever you want to call this. Come down here right through the middle. Cut that off. Cut its thumb off. Whatever this whole thing is. You always try to eat it and you never get nothing off of it. I do anyways. And that was it for that.
Comment if you know what it's called.
Yeah. Call it their thumbs. thumbs up. So that's basically it. What I do with this here then, that's the body. We boil them down, get the fat out of it, and can the fat up. It's great. So what I do to make it easier to bag, you'll need a big knife here and a bit of strength. Just come on down like that. I usually separate it into 3 different pieces. Be really careful with your fingers. And use a knife that you know is good for the job. Big hacking knife. So anyways, that's what I do with the bodies. Nothing goes to waste. Yeah, so that's it. We've got 5 great meals. 6 counting the body for stock and stuff. Sorry, my nose is running. Got a bit of a cold. Anyways, I hope that helps you out. And if any questions, leave a comment down in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if there's anything I'm doing that can make my life a little easier. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll be talking to you later. Have a good one. Nova Newfie out.